Alright guys, today we got a concrete cleaning. This is actually a neighbor, an empty house. This house has been empty about 12 years. I'm not going to worry with that up there. We maintain his yard. I'm showing my kids how to mow and weed eat. So I let them do that because he only comes about once a month or once every 2 months. We're going to get this driveway looking like something today. I know it hasn't been cleaned in 14, 15 years at least. So I just wet all the grass down and fixing to spray. Fixing to put my pre-treatment on. So let's get this started. This one cleaned up. It's wet still. This is an older, it looks like it's striped, but it isn't. This is like an older concrete, so it has that sandy look, but definitely think they'll be able to tell the difference for sure. So that was me running the little Briggs and Stratton surface cleaner with the new 4-gallon Venom machine. I ordered a general pump that has not came in. I don't know if you guys have ever ordered anything from the tool barn, but this is the third time I have. Man, they're horrible. Their pumps were out of stock. They lost one, had to refund my money, and now this. So I was just trying to see how it came out. It still looks a little black on the video, but it's just a concrete. See, it's just black rock. It's just a gravel in it. So may not look perfect on here. It'll probably look better once it dries, but I'll come over and get a video once it dries, show you what it looks like. But yeah, this is the 4-gallon a minute machine, 4400 with the Briggs and Stratton surface cleaner.